Just hours before the president's big primetime announcement, CNN caught up with one of his two top contenders, Judge Thomas Hardiman, on his way to Washington, stopping to gas up in Bedford, Pennsylvania.
Can I ask about your trip to D.C.? Are you the potential Supreme Court pick?
And while Judge Hardiman was heading to the Capitol,
it's lovely to be here.
Sources tell CNN increasing indications are that Trump's pick is Judge Neil Gorsuch of Colorado and that he is already in D.C. His judicial philosophy aligns with the conservative icon he could replace, Justice Antonin Scalia, and he believes, as Scalia did, in the literal interpretation of the Constitution. The two men seen here fly fishing in Colorado were said to be close friends.
The world suffered a seismic shock with the loss of Justice Scalia.
Judge Gorsuch's legal opinions on religious liberty attracted the attention of those helping Trump make his pick.
Separate church and state.
In the Hobby Lobby case, he sided with the corporations who claimed the so-called contraceptive mandate in Obamacare violated their religious beliefs. And he penned a book arguing against assisted suicide and euthanasia, writing, quote, "The idea that all human beings are intrinsically valuable and intentional taking of human life by private persons is always wrong." At 49 years old, Gorsuch could remain on the court for a generation and become one of Trump's most lasting legacies.
If he serves for 30 or 35 years, he could certainly have an enormous impact on the law of the land, especially if President Trump gets another confirmation or two during his presidency and someone like Neil Gorsuch becomes the center of the court as opposed to Anthony Kennedy.
But it's still possible President Trump could choose Judge Hardiman, a well-regarded conservative with a blue-collar background.
I'm going to try to channel my inner newspaper delivery boy, lawn mowing, and taxi driving experience to see if I can be of service here to the panel.
Hardiman has earned the approval of conservatives on issues such as guns and immigration. Last August, he joined an opinion that ruled against Central American immigrants detained on U.S. soil, something that could have been a big selling point for a new president drawing a hard line on immigration.
The Court of Appeals held that Central American migrants who were in the United States but out of status weren't even entitled to judicial review, let alone to be released from their detention. You know, that's a pretty important precedent, and if he were to follow that on the Supreme Court, that could have obvious ramifications for questions of the rights of immigrants, especially under this new executive order.
Hardiman also has a powerful ally.
It was our job.
Sharing the bench in the 3rd District with Trump's sister, Marianne, who is also a federal judge.